Do you want to speak English like a native speaker? Then you clicked on right video. In this video, I will share you how I made a habit in my life when I started learning English speaking. That time I was feel like stuck while I was speaking. So I made a habit every day is English in my life. And how can you make this habit too to speak like a native English speaker? So listen carefully, listen to this video carefully because I'm going to speak slow English. Because you know what? When I speak slow English, each and everyone can understand easily. And for your kind information, I'm not advanced or any English teacher. I learned English like this. So I also learning like watching videos, daily speaking practice, speaking in the front of mirror, in the front of camera, and that's why I'm here today. So because of my habit, that habit which means everywhere is just English, and I'm not surrounded by English environment. I am an Indian girl, so that's why in India everywhere is Hindi language common. But I'm from Maharashtra, so in Maharashtrian people they speak Marathi language. So that's why this is hard for me, and I live in a village, and in village you can understand all people speak their desi language in desi style. So you know what, I will tell you how you can make habit in your life. So if you don't know how to start, and when you watch English videos, that time you don't understand each and everything. Mostly you understand 20 to 30% English, okay? This is common. And you know what, after you watch fast videos, then you feel heavy. Your brain, your body started feeling tired because you was you was watching those videos, those are new for you, and you were wasting your energy to translate each and every word while watching that video. And after that, you know what, you feel exhausted, sometimes your brain feel so heavy, and that's why this is the main reason you quit the journey and you will never speak English. You are just desire, your dream, it just became a dream. So if you want to change your dream in reality or your desire in reality, you know what? Dreams are free, but if you want to achieve your dreams, you have to discipline in your life. Every day you have to practice. And how to practice? This is main question. Okay? Now in my English, I'm not using phrases and any sentence and slungs you can say. I'm just speaking normally. Each and everyone can understand. Who know English, who knows English, those people will understand easily. But if you don't understand English, then you can understand this video because this English is very easy and common. So, number one thing is start watching slow English videos. I'm not talking about those people, they are good in English, they can speak English, but they know all English, but while they try to speak English, they feel stuck. Those people started watching any kind of videos those people like to watch. But if you are complete beginner and you don't know how to speak, then start watching slow English videos. I can rep- I I would like to recommend you Miss Honey channel. You can watch in her channel slow English videos. She she is a teacher. She is an English teacher and she teaches her students or everywhere free English on her YouTube channel. So you can start your journey from her channel watching slow English. You know what? If you are living any state in India, so how did you learn Hindi language? Do you remember? Or I so for me I'm telling my experience. I was used to watch Hindi content on YouTube. I was not consuming Marathi content because I don't like to watch. And I used to consume Hindi language content, and that's why I'm good in Hindi. So, and before learning English, I didn't used to consume English content. When I watch, I feel heavy and I feel stressed. So you know what I did? I started slow English videos, and every day, even I make mistake, I, s- I speak to myself. Whatever things, if I went anywhere and I watch anything, and so if I learn anything, I try to rewind, or you can say remind those scenarios in my brain in English. And while you are doing any activity in your life, okay, you are just washing dishes, you are doing study, you are going outside, you are at DMart, shopping mall, that time you try to describe things. When you don't know how to describe, then speak. Right now I am going in this aisle and I'm looking these things like I'm looking this chips packets. And you know what, when you are going any mall, then you can say look at this shop, look at this food. You can speak those things in English, okay. And you know what? When you are watching English videos, then you try to understand, okay? Just normally. Don't force to your head. You have to understand all things. It's okay when you don't understand because you started. You have just started and you are thinking, I have to be fluent on first day. At least you give your 3 months here. Then your habit started working good. And you know what? When your habit started working good way, you are listening English, you are speaking English. And if you like to write, then you can write because when you write, then you can keep those things long term in your mind. But when you speak, if you if you don't like to write, it's okay. I don't like to write. I don't write, sorry. So if you like to if you like to speak, or if you don't like to speak, but you have only one option, you have to speak, then uh, gradually your brain started understanding English. When you are speaking like just normal English, and no need to learn heavy vocabularies, advanced words in starting. In my this video, can I did I use any advanced vocabulary which you didn't hear before? If your answer is yes, then I don't know what should I say to you. But I didn't use in this video any advanced vocabulary because I want you each and everyone have to understand this video because this is nowadays need. English is using everywhere, and when you are using English and when you are used to speak English, that time your brain automatically understand all things. But when your brain don't know how to speak, then you feel stuck. And if you are well educated but you can understand English but you can't speak English, then you feel shame or you feel shy about surviving in your office and anything. So English is need, and that's why I was learning. I was started learning. I was not afraid to speak in front of camera, but I don't know how to speak and what can I speak in the front of camera. You know what? And I'm speaking. You know what? Most of the people or learners, they say this thing again and again. They say this thing again and again. You have to think in English before speaking, which means directly speak in English. Don't think and don't translate. I tell you, when you started English, then each and everything you will translate, okay? When I was started, I was translating. And that's why I always feel heavy and my energy always using here. So that's why I always feel exhausted, tired. And main reason is behind all of this I did. Today I am speaking English, and this is the way to learn English. So English is just a normal language, but you don't have that surrounded area environment. That's why you feel heavy. And I want to tell you, I don't have that environment. You can see everywhere 360 around 360-degree around me. Everywhere is just normal old houses, and I'm living in this village, and I don't have anyone to guide me. When I started, mo- most of the time I feel this, why am I doing this? I should have to quit this journey because this is not for me. And I was, I always had headache while learning English because in learning English, when you are watching, you are speaking whatever you have at that moment in your mind, you try to express. And when you don't understand, instantly do Google and search there, and you will get answer there. And you know what, if you don't know anything, then start learning tenses, voice and model. Then you just three things are mainly important or significant for learning English. And we are not learning, we are learning to speak English because I also learned English in my college, in my high school, but I wasn't able to speak English. So I built my habit, which means I build my skill. English speaking is a skill. So if you have discipline and you are consistently building this skill, you are practicing daily, you are you are watching daily. If you don't learn anything, if you don't learn on ChatGPT anything new words, you didn't read story, you didn't read anything, but you must have to speak while you are lying on your bed, while you are just walking on the road, while you are doing anything. If you have free time, no need to special time to study English. Just start on 5 minutes first day. You can start watching on first day 5 minute English. When you feel exhausted, then stop there. Next day, again open. Then every day build this habit. Okay. Now I can watch English videos around 3 to 4 hours because this is my habit and I build it because of my practice. And nowadays, when I watch any fast English video, even I don't understand what is going on in that video. And if you are beginner, so this is hard, and I'm not saying this is impossible. In starting, everything is hard, but after you are practice, when you used to do that thing, everything is easy. I just want you to tell. Yeah, see, I'm like you. I'm not so extraordinary girl, and I remember all things automatically. I don't need to waste. I don't need to use my energy. This is not waste of energy. You will get. I. You know what? When you are doing English speaking practice, then you will definitely get pay off this in your life. This is plus point in your entire life, because you are not just learning English speaking, you are improving here your communication skill, how to express your thoughts. And you know what, when you are recording yourself, that time don't try to speak like whatever you read on ChatGPT, and don't like to speak exact those things those you read on ChatGPT. Speak with your own opinion. What would you like to speak? What would you like to express? Even you are making mistakes. Yeah, who? Tell me who is in your surrounded area. Who anybody is there? They directly learn on first day good and they didn't made any mistake in their life. Nobody is like this. Even any businessman who started their business at the first, he lost so many things. You can get Bill Gates example, Tesla car example, anything. Each and every person, each and every one person life has problems, but who stay consist, who bear these problems, who, you know what, who nobody like to problems, but who stay consist, who know that, oh no, I know that if I'm doing this, then I will definitely get pay of this. And this is the main reason you have to start. English is a habit, okay? When you build this habit, then your all problems automatically just quickly solved out. You know what, when you watch anything, that time you you know what, when you watch something that you would like to watch, that time you remember all things. But if you don't like English learning, which means English speaking, that time, you know what, that time you can रानात गेलाय हा that time, he is my grandfather friend, so he was asking about him. And you know what, like this. He just asked me one question, and that question I translate instantly in English. When anybody in your home, they ask you something, or they asking each and everyone, they are gossiping each and everyone, they are talking anything about, so you try to translate those things in starting, because when you are speaking and when you are recording yourself, that time, if some days you feel like I don't have any topic, so you can speak like this, you can practice like this. So if you think like I don't have any topic, what topic should I take to speak English, so you can just translate what you are surrounded people, whatever you are surrounded people, they are talking each other. If you don't know all English, you are speaking wrong English, it's okay. You know what, most of the people they operate, and most of the people they don't know how to make sentence. That's why I said learn tenses. When you will have learned tenses, that time you automatically instantly know that how to make sentence. And no, you know what? Sometimes I also feel that when I don't record myself, I also feel that, oh, I forgot English. When I will record video, that time maybe I feel stuck. But you know what? When I directly speak from my heart, I don't think like, oh yeah, am I speaking correct, or did I make any mistake here? If I make any mistake, it's okay. I'm not telling you to. I'm very perfect in English. I am a learner and I'm learning. And that's why I'm telling to you this is the way you can learn free. Because this is a language, and I want you, each and everyone who is watching my video, I want to build that confidence in your heart, in your brain. Then you, if I can do, then you can do too. Because we are human beings, and when you watch anything, then we started copying. Okay, okay, sometimes you don't feel or you don't want to speak, that time you can just watch my video, and whatever things you understand, you just try to speak. Okay. And you know what? If you guys like this video, please make sure subscribe this channel for more. And my name is Ashwini Somavanshi, and I'm from Maharashtra. And you know what? I like to record myself, and I'm learning English speaking, so that's why every time I record myself and I always share something, all learners they can watch and they can learn something new in my videos. If you enjoyed this video, please share this video to your friend. Please guys, share this video to your friends, because I want to help more people. When I'm helping more people, but I want to reach with more people, then they can speak English. And I'm not going any class, learning all things free. Because you know what, just I pay my mobile recharge and I learn on each and everything on mobile. Because you know what, when you go any classes, that time you have only one teacher that will teach you English, and you can learn on YouTube. India is one of the best teachers like dear sir. I learned tenses, voice models on dear sir YouTube channel. My personally recommendation to all of you, if you want to learn tenses, voice, then you can watch dear sir English speaking channel. their channel on their English speaking course, then you will get their tenses, voice, model. And if you want to any course for English speaking, then you can watch dear sir playlist about spoken English course, and that really will help you a lot, free, without spending any money. Just you need to times, patience, and curiosity to learn English. Okay, and I have been learning English since on January 2026. I started from that day and still I'm learning. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, please tell me in comment. I will definitely answer your questions. And if you have any questions about how I practice, how I do this, then you can ask me. Okay, okay guys, bye bye.